Hi everyone, this is Dr. Sweta from Sai Ayush Ayurveda. Apart from all these things, like internally how you can cool your body. So first and foremost thing, everyone will advise you to take more water, because every time we are sweating you will get urination, so your body is losing water. So to get hydrated, you should stay in more than the normal quantity of water intake. That is one thing you need to do. And don't if I'm telling that you go and drink water, I'm not telling you to take cold water. You should take warm water or room temperature water. Okay, because when you're taking cold water, it will be a viruddha, so it may cause another type of complication, so avoid that. Next is that taking seasonal fruits. Right now we are having mango, jackfruits are there, and plenty of watermelon, muskmelon. You can include cucumber in your diet. So all these things actually cools your body. These all things helps in satisfying your appetite, and also gives a cooling effect to the body. So like you're taking any type of hot beverages, you can take buttermilk, curd, all these things you can take, so that also cools your body. And try to avoid spicy food items in this season, because spice increases heat in your body, so eventually your body will get heat. So try to take some neutral type of food, cooling type of food, which is preferred in this season. So these are some of the things you can do to prevent the complications happen in summer. So hope you understood, and please do try these things and get the results. Thank you.